Good morning, all of you. Chalo, in last lecture we have completed section 80 CCB, subsection 2. Chalo, what is the maximum limit of section 80C? 1,50,000. 80 triple C? 1,50,000. 80 CCD, subsection 1. Combined together 1,50,000, and that is called section 80 CCE. Done. Extra 50,000 available under section 1B, section 80 CCD, subsection 1B. And what we are talking about, first of all, pension. So in pension, employer's part and employee's part. So right now we have completed till employee's part. Now employer's contribution is available to the extent of some percentage under section 80 CCD, subsection 2. Let me share that file. Look. Here it is. Section 80C, 80 triple C and section 80 CCD, subsection 1 combined together, aggregate deduction available 1,50,000 rupees. In addition to that, 50,000 rupees available under section 80 CCD, subsection 1B. 50,000 extra. Yes. But this is for only NPS, National Pension Scheme, while 80C is for 23 points. 20 CIMA, 80 CIMA, 23 points are there. But 80 triple C, only certain pension fund, and 80 CCD subsection 1 is specifically for National Pension Scheme. And last point, contribution of employer or contribution of central government. If you are a government employee, then contribution of central government, then 14% of salary and 10% of salary. That's what we have completed. Done. One practical question we have done, illustration number 5, right? And today we are going to solve illustration number 4. Is it clear till this? Yes, this.
What is the difference between HCCD, section 1, and the one of HCCD, section 1?
This is employee's contribution. If I am an employee, then my contribution. And this is employer's contribution. It means for whom I am working. 1B is extra benefit. Look, 80 CCD1 is 1,50,000 rupees. Okay, let's say for example you have invested in PPF. PPF will be covered in 80C. You have invested 1,50,000 rupees. So now your limit is blocked. Your limit is no more available. So you have invested in NPS account also. So what to do? So you have 50,000 more available under section 80 CCD subsection 1B. You have one more option available. For example, you have taken LIC, you have paid tuition fee of your children, you have invested in PPF, you have invested in Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. All of these will 1,50,000. So your ATC will be blocked. You have no ATC available now. Still, you have a pension account. You are an employee, still you have a pension account. So you want to take deduction. So one more option available, that is section 80 CCD1B. Clear? That's what we will discuss in illustration number 4. Illustration number 4. First of all, note, for computation of limit under section 80 CCD subsection 1 and subsection 2, salary includes dearness allowance is the terms of employment so provide. It means forming part of retirement benefit. Forming part of retirement benefit. We will discuss it in practical. Read illustration number 4. The basic salary of Mr. A is 1 lakh rupee per month. He is entitled to dearness allowance, which is 40% of basic salary. So let's write down one by one. Basic salary 1,50,000 rupees. 1 lakh, sorry, yes, 1 lakh rupees. But this is per month. So multiply by 12. 12 lakh rupees. Let me zoom. Done? Visible? Now, dearness allowance. Dearness allowance is 40% of basic salary. So, 12 lakh rupees multiplied by 40%. 4 lakh 80,000 rupees. But it is clearly given that salary includes dearness allowance if terms of employment so provide. It means terms of employment are 50% forming part of retirement benefit. So we have to consider 50% of basic salary. So what is 50%? We have to do 50%. 2,40,000 rupees. Now for calculating pension, we will consider 14,40,000 rupees salary. Is it clear? Why 14,40,000? No, that is not 1,20,000. 12 lakh rupees. Look. Now is it clear? Look. 12 lakh, 2,40,000 and 14,14,000 rupees. Done? Now, both Mr. A and his employer ABC Limited, his employer is ABC Limited, contribute 15% of basic salary to pension scheme referred to in section 80cc(d). Now, employee and employer both are contributing 15% of basic salary. Basic salary is 12 lakh rupees. Multiply by 15%. So both are contributing 1,80,000 rupees. Please understand now. Explain the tax treatment in respect of such contribution in the hands of Mr. A. Now, both are contributing 1,80,000 rupees. Now we are supposed to calculate what will be available under section 80cc(d), subsection 1, 80cc(d), subsection 1b, and what is available under section 80cc(d), subsection 2. Chalo. Now we are almost to the answer. Anyone can give me the answer? What is available under section 80cc(d)(1), 80cc(d)(1)(b) and 80cc(d)(2)? Chalo. First of all, you know the limit. What is the limit of section 80 CCD subsection 1? 10% of salary. What is salary? Salary means 12 lakh plus 2 lakh 40,000 forming part of retirement benefit. So here 10% of salary. What is 10% of salary? 1 lakh 14,14,000 multiplied by 10%. 1,44,000 rupees available under section 1080 subsection CCD subsection 1, sorry, 80 CCD subsection 1. Sir, but investment is 1,80,000 and we are getting deduction of 1,44,000 only. What about rest of the amount? So as I have told you earlier, 50,000 benefit available under section 80 CCD subsection 1B for pension, extra benefit, right or not? So you can claim 36,000 over here or not? Yes or no? Obviously yes. So maximum benefit available over here 80 CCD 1 is 10% of salary. Still limit is 1,50,000, we know, but that is maximum limit. But the specific limit of section 80 CCD subsection 1 is 10% of salary. So 1,44,000 is available only. So what about 36,000? So we can get extra benefit under section 80 CCD subsection 1B, that is 36,000 rupees. So total, now this is employees contribution. We are talking about employees contribution only. Why? Because for employers contribution, we will consider 80 CCD subsection 2. This is employees contribution. Now, employers contribution. Well, I am curious, which amount will come over here? If government employee, then 14%. But if other employee, then 10%. So ABC Limited is government employer? No. So other employer? So 10% of salary again. What will be the amount? Salary means 14,00,000 rupees. So this is extra benefit in addition to 1,50,000 limit. Your answer is over. Are you getting this? Total investment 3,60,000, but we will get benefit up to 3,24,000 rupees. You can consider 1,50,000 over here, but 10% of salary is 1,44,000 rupees. Sir, no समझाना. पहली बार में क्या नहीं समझाए. You will not be able to understand by one time reading only. Look, you have to consider this table first. Sections 80 CCD, contribution to NPS, 10% of salary. Okay, that's why here 10% of salary is considered. Sir, 80 CCD 1B, 50,000 limit is there. Section 80 CCD, subsection 1B. So 50,000 rupees. So that's why 50,000.
Any specific instructions from your side? Where to sit?
No, sir.
I find you poor and sitting together. So much of space is available, please space. If there is a problem, then I can understand, but so much of people are like that.
Okay, sir. And section 80 CCD subsection 2, it means employer's contribution. So we have discussed that 1,80,000 is employer's contribution. So out of 1,80,000, 1,44,000 rupees will be available. Now I know one more doubt will be there. Sir, here we consider 15% of 12 lakh, and here we are considering 10% of 14,40,000. Why is it so? Thaya, doubt? Look, here we are reading the language of law, and here we are reading the language of question. Question શું કહે છે? 15% of salary. So 15% now, coming to the question here, 15% contribute 15% of basic salary. So what is basic salary? Basic salary is 12 lakh rupees. So 15% of 12 lakh is 12 lakh, yes, 1,80,000. So actually contribute 1,80,000. But as per Income Tax Act, we will consider salary as salary plus dearness allowance forming part of retirement benefit. Sir, એવું ક્યાં કીધું છે? Notes માં that we have learned na. Notes માં કીધું જ છે. So while calculating what is deduction available, simple jo. While calculating what is available as deduction, you will consider the definition of law. But while giving, you will consider the questions note. Question માં જેમ કીધું એ પ્રમાણે પહેલા આપી દેવું. Then what is available? એના માટે law જોડો. સમજાઈ ગયું? સાવ easy. Sir, when 12 lakh will be considered, when 14,40,000 will be considered, very simple. What is available as deduction? So basic salary plus DLS amount. But what is given? So what is given means 12 lakh rupees multiplied by 15%. Now let's read the answer part. Look, deduction under section 80 CCD. Look, here this is what we have calculated in Excel sheet. But you have to write down everything. Like basic salary 1 lakh multiplied by 12, DNS allowance 40% of 12 lakh, but forming part of retirement benefit, that is 50%. So 12 lakh 40,000. Now, deduction under section 80 CCD subsection 1 is restricted to 10% of 14 lakh 40,000 rupees. So actual contribution is 1,80,000, but we will allow 1,44,000 rupees only. Similarly, further deduction. Look, further deduction. Extra deduction will be available under section 80 CCD subsection 1B. What is 36,000 rupees? Similarly, employer's contribution. Employer's contribution 10% of salary, and that is 1,44,000 rupees, and this is over and above the deduction available to the 1,50,000 limit. That is what we consider over here. This is over and above 1,50,000 limit. 1,50,000 limit kya avse? Only here only. Right? You can do alternate answer also. How? Look, જો આ સમજાય ને તો જ alternate answer સમજાશે. Sir, how alternate answer can be possible? Maximum deduction is 1,44,000. નથી જોતું, sir. Why? Here, this is specific section, and maximum benefit is 50,000 only. So, sir, we will consider 50,000 over here. We will consider 50,000 benefit over here, and remaining amount means total 1,80,000 minus 50,000 over here. 1,30,000 we will consider in section 80 CCD subsection 1. Sir, આનાથી શું benefit થાય? 20,000 rupees limit is available for you under section 80C, 80 triple C, 80 CCD subsection 1. So you can invest in PPF, you can take LIC also, you can invest in Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, you can invest in equity linked mutual funds. So many points are there. સમજાઈ ગયું? This is covered in 80 CCE. So 80cc ની લિમિટ છે 1,50,000 rupees. 1,50,000 rupees. So why consume 1,44,000 over here? There are large scope available છે, where we have large scope available. So we will consider 1,30,000 only, and 50,000 fully occupied by 80ccd1b. Why? Because it is narrow. The concept of 80ccd1b is narrow. It is limited to NPS only. So NPS पूरे में consider कर ले भाई, and ऊपर 1,30,000. Sir, which answer is correct? Both the answers are correct. Both the answers are correct. This answer is correct. Similarly, this answer is also correct. Choice is yours. But if you provide solution like this, you will be considered as an expert of income tax. Otherwise, all of the students will write this 1,44,000 and 36,000. Why? Because it is given in the book.
We're trying to use 150,000 to take care of 80cc D1 and 80cc D1B.
Yes. What I want, look, in simple language, I want to utilize this 1,80,000. Please focus on Excel sheet. I want to utilize this 1,80,000. Okay. So I have two choices. Either I can invest in 80ccd1, either I can claim under 80ccd1 and 80ccd1b. So which will be beneficial for me to fulfill first? So I will fulfill 80ccd1b. 50,000 I will disclose in 80ccd1b only. Now remaining amount I will show in 80ccd subsection 1. Still I will have balance of 20,000 rupees. Sir, how 20,000 rupees? We have discussed earlier. Section 80ccd subsection 1, maximum limit is 1,50,000. So we have 20,000 more available. So I can invest in PPF, other pension plan. So many things are there. And this 20,000 I can invest in 80C, 80CCC, and 80CCB subsection 1. These many choices are there for me for this 20,000. Right or not? Is it clear, Brian? So this is all about section 80C, 80CCC, 80CCD1, 80CCD1B, and 80CCD2. 5 sections. And one more section 80CCE, but that is only indicative section. It તમને indicate કરે કે ભાઈ 1,50,000 all over available છે. Done? Yes.
So it means whichever number we attempt to write some footnotes.
Sorry.
Whatever number we attempt needs to write some footnotes.
Yes, you are supposed to write down the notes in income tax. Why? Because there are so many answers available.
I'm seeing when you wrote there 1,500, we are going to the thousand. So these are the screen.
Yes. What I have given you is this answer. Look, is in an alternative way, you can claim 50,000 under section 80CCD1B and balance amount 1,30,000 in 80CCD subsection 1. All the answers are available in your module. Okay. Hello. Now another interesting sections. Now all the sections are very small. હવે જેટલી sections આવશે બધી small હશે. Don't worry. જે bigger sections are complete. Now it's very easy part. 80D. Mediclaim નું નામ સાંભળ્યું છે? Mediclaim. So whatever amount you invest in Mediclaim, it will be available under section 80D. Sir, what is Mediclaim? Mediclaim means one type of insurance premium, but you have to renew it every year. if anything happens to you, you can claim mediclaim. Sir, which companies are providing? So many companies are there. HDFC Ergo, ICICI Prudential Life, ICICI Lombard, Tata AIG, LIC. Then so many companies are there which are providing you the plans of 80D mediclaim. And even when you receive the receipt, the notes will be given. This is available under section 80D only. Done, Parth? Chalo. Chalo, class. Please do one thing. Write down with me. Okay? Very small points only. Like what is available under section 80D? What is the limit? Who will get the benefit? Okay? You have to just write down the points, bullet points. First point, deduction in respect of insurance premium paid for family to the extent of 25,000. First of all, write down maximum benefit available 25,000 rupees. 80D, mediclaim, 25,000 rupees. The following payments are covered. Which type of payments are covered? First point. Look, you are supposed to write down the 25,000 rupees only. Okay, points no lagta. It will be there in your module. Maximum limit 25,000. Look, premium paid to the effect or keep in force the insurance on the health of self, spouse, and a dependent children. 3. Self means myself. Spouse means husband or wife. If you are calculating for female, then husband. If you are calculating for male, then wife. And dependent children only. Dependent children means majority. In majority of the cases, minors are dependent. So dependent children. So you can claim 80D for self, spouse, and dependent children. Any contribution made to central government health scheme or such other health scheme as may be notified by central government contributory health service scheme of the Department of Space has been notified by central government. Now, deduction in respect of insurance premium for parents. Now further deduction. Further deduction means in addition to 25,000 above. So please write down. Deduction for parents. Deduction will be available to me only. But for example, may mara father ni ke mara mother ni mediclaim policy લીધી છે. So again 25,000 will be available for me. 25,000 will be available for me. Yes, 50,000. Up to rupees 25,000 allowable to effect or keep in force an insurance on the health of parents of SSC. So 25,000 myself, 25,000 one of my parents. Total 50,000 rupees. Total 50. No, total 50,000. That's what I'm saying. Look, for example, Mr. X has taken one mediclaim, 10,000. He has taken mediclaim of wife, 10,000, 20,000. He has taken mediclaim of his children. For example, 20,000. So total 40,000, but maximum benefit available 25,000. The maximum benefit available is 25,000. But Mr. X has taken mediclaim of his father, then extra 25,000 is available for parents only. For parents only. Brothers to આવતો જ નથી ક્યાંય. Brother, sister, એ કોઈ નથી આવતા. Only wife, children and father. So wife and children માટે 25,000 અને parents માટે 25,000. Total 50,000. Now, further, quantum of deduction in respect of senior citizen. Senior citizen means, for example, if I am senior citizen, if Mr. X is senior citizen, so the limit will be increased to 50,000. limit will be increased to 50,000. Sir, pehla કેટલી હતી? Earlier it was 25,000. Now it will be 50,000. Sir, what will be the situation if my parents are senior citizen? Then also 50,000. In short, if a person or parents, whoever considered as senior citizen, then the limit will be increased to 50,000. So ये limit થઈ જશે 50,000. Clear? If I want to write down 80B for self, spouse, dependent, children, all over limit is 25,000 rupees. All over limit is 25,000 rupees, but only in case of citizen. In case of senior citizen, yes, this limit will be increased to 50,000. Now, for parents, this limit is 25,000. But if my parents are senior citizen, then 50,000. Clear? આવી રીતે ટેબલ બનાવી લેવાય. Now, last point of section 80D, then your 80D will be completed. Deduction in respect of payment towards preventive health checkup. Preventive health checkup means આપણે જે routine checkup છે ને, in our Gujarati language routine checkup કરાવવા ગયા હતા. Preventive health checkup for like blood test, urine test, medical test, any type of medical test, BP and all these things. So for preventive health checkup, only 5,000 rupees will be available. Only 5,000 rupees will be available. Sir, extra? No, this is not extra. This is already there in 25,000. But 5,000 rupees are specifically for preventive health checkup only. Now, if I want to give you example, Mr. X has taken mediclaim policy of 22,000. 22,000 and preventive health checkup of 5,000. Maximum benefit available 25,000. So mediclaim में 22,000, preventive health checkup ना only 3,000. Otherwise mediclaim में 20,000, preventive health checkup ना 5,000, but it cannot exceed 25,000 rupees. Let me give you example over here. Let's say Mr. X mediclaim and preventive health checkup. Mediclaim લીધું 22,000. Preventive health checkup 7,000. Sorry, 7,000. What is the total? 29,000. Maximum benefit available 25,000. So here it will be available to the extent of 20,000 rupees, and here it will be available to the extent of 5,000 rupees. So maximum benefit available is 25,000 rupees. Sir, for example, here it is only 15,000. Then my total is 22,000. So fully allowed? No. Preventive health checkup matter to only 5,000. So here I can get 15,000 for mediclaim, 5,000 for preventive health checkup. Maximum benefit available is 20,000 only. સમજાણું આ? Preventive health checkup you cannot get benefit over and above 5,000. 5,000 થી વધારે you can't get deduction. Is it clear now? Write down this example. Otherwise, take the screenshot. Done? Last point, mode of payment. For preventive health checkup, you can do cash payments. For preventive health checkup, 5,000 rupees, cash payments are allowed. For other payments, cash payments are not allowed. Any other mode other than cash. You cannot pay by way of cash. For preventive health checkup, cash payments are allowed. But for other, cash payments are not allowed. Yes, account pay check, account pay bank draft, ECS, NEFT, RTGS, UPI, BEAM, Paytm, whatever, all the things are allowed. But cash payments are not allowed. Chalo. Similarly for HUF, 25,000, but any member is senior citizen, then 50,000. What is the meaning of HUF? Karta and their members. If Karta or members are less than 60 years, એટલે કે senior citizen નથી, then 25,000. If they are more than 60 years, senior citizen, then 50,000. Section is over. 80D is completed. Relevant નથી. Hello, table આપ્યું છે. Table is given in your module. Same points are જે મેં તમને એક્સેલ શીટમાં ટેબલ કરાવ્યું એ જ પોઈન્ટ્સ છે. Maximum 5,000 rupees allowed as aggregate preventive health checkup expenditure subject to overall limit of 25,000. Example કર્યું આપણે. Done? Do one thing. Try to solve illustration number 6. Today we will have one more session at 2:30. I will share the time or timetable in your WhatsApp group. Okay? 2:30 we have one more session at 2:30 p.m. today. And from today onwards, I think every day will be there. One session will be there. So do one thing, take screenshot of illustration 6 and try to solve this. Otherwise, we will solve this question in next lecture. Okay? Log into my session and take the screenshot. Otherwise, what we asked Javik.
For extra lecture.
Yes. Yes, Javik.
For extra lecture, no, sir?
Okay. So you want extra sessions? Yes, I will upload unit 3 by today only. Uttam. Actually, part 1 and I think part 1 is uploaded. That is self set off and carry forward and clubbing of income. This is third part. That is deductions. After this, your module 3 will be completed. Then we will start TDS. Your fourth module. Okay, Javik. So, is there any doubt, class? Section 80D. Is there any doubt? So all of you are requested to write down your enrollment number in chat box. Only online students, okay? I will. Chalo, thank you all of you. I am sharing the PDF. Wait. Chalo. 99. 93. 104. 68. 68 and 67. 20. 6095. 6014. And 6007. Done? Thank you all of you.